I'm Anna from hotspotsystem.com.my. Hello, I'm Anna from hotspotsystem.com.my, a sales and marketing agent. We specialise providing services network solutions, especially Wi-Fi hotspot systems and network security for businesses like hotels, offices, shops, universities, colleges, coffee shops, cyber cafes and residential. This system is very easy. It's a plug-in and play, but you must be connected to an internet connection, an ISP line. Our company is led by a group that has 15 years of shared experience and expertise in the field of network telecommunications. Their knowledge and vision ensures that we continue to spearhead innovations in mobile communications and deliver the best possible service to you. So who are our customers? Here is just a couple. Country Lodge Resort, Cameron Highlands, Pahang, Malaysia. Iris House Hotel, Brichang, Camera Highland, and College Vocational Seri Manjung, Perak. Come join us at hotspotsystem.com.my.